Welcome back to Auto Garage, your ultimate destination for military-grade trucks, off-road beasts, and next-gen 4x4s. If power, precision, and rugged performance excite you, then you're in the right place. And today, we're about to explore a monster that's just been officially revealed, the all-new 2025 Havoc Jeep 4x4. Built for those who dare to challenge the wild, the Havoc Jeep is no ordinary off-roader. It's a next-generation tactical vehicle designed to dominate both urban roads and the harshest terrains. Whether you're heading into desert trails, rocky climbs, muddy backroads, or deep snow, this beast promises unmatched control, capability, and confidence. So, what makes the 2025 Havoc Jeep 4x4 so special? Let's break it down. At first glance, the design screams authority. The body is built with military-grade high-strength steel combined with aluminum panels, reducing overall weight without compromising durability. The sharp edges, bold stance, matte black finish, and aggressive LED lighting setup set a whole new standard for modern off-road design. The front grille is wider, meaner, and ventilated for enhanced engine cooling during long, intense drives. Roof-mounted light bars, integrated winches, and skid plates come standard, making it trail-ready right off the lot. Under the hood, the Havoc doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a 3.6L twin-turbo V6 engine that cranks out over 400 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a next-gen 8-speed automatic transmission and electronically controlled low-range gear settings, this Jeep adapts seamlessly to any off-road condition. You also get an optional hybrid assist model for better torque delivery and improved fuel efficiency on longer expeditions. Now, let's talk about suspension. The 2025 Havoc is equipped with adaptive terrain suspension technology that includes electronically adjustable dampers and ride height control. Whether you're climbing, crawling, or cruising, the Havoc maintains stability, traction, and comfort across all four wheels. The oversized 37-inch off-road tires with beadlock-ready wheels are built for real trail abuse, and yes, they look absolutely badass. But it's not all muscle. Inside, the Havoc Jeep feels like a mobile command center. The cabin is designed with premium tactical finishes including waterproof synthetic leather seats, rubberized flooring, and aluminum accents. The 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get 360-degree cameras, drone-based trail tracking, voice-activated navigation, and a 12-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound system. For those who take safety seriously, the 2025 Havoc Jeep is fully loaded. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, front collision avoidance, off-road hazard detection, and side impact protection. You also get 6 terrain management modes: sand, snow, rock, mud, tow, and sport, switchable on the fly from the center cons.